Today, the Bridge Restoration Ministry had our community work day. We had more than 40 people show up to prune, weed, clean. We have this beautiful 7-acre campus that's helping reunite and restore men and women to their lives, their family, their faith. It's just incredible. So we're so grateful, and we want to thank those that are watching for all that you've done to keep the Bridge in your prayers and with your support. Thank you so much.
There are partnerships that can be developed between men and women that are restoring their lives in a completely different trajectory, most of which, critically stated, have lived their lives centered and focused on themselves. And they come out of the Bridge looking at a whole new life of service, being of benefit to other people.